Welcome back to our DIY series. Today, we're excited to present the third installment, where we'll take on a slightly more challenging project than our previous videos. Don't worry, it's still an easy pattern to create. In this tutorial, we'll be using 5 vibrant colors to achieve a striking contrast. Feel free to stick with the same colors or mix it up with your own unique palette to make it truly yours. Our inspiration for this design comes from the concept of ground strata or layers, which is why we've incorporated that beautiful gold along the edges. Pro tip: if you want to thin out the gold, simply add a bit of alcohol. This will help it flow more easily and create a smoother consistency. We'll kick things off by coating the base, allowing the colors to blend effortlessly when poured on top. Next, we'll create a swirling motion to form an intricate pattern that will serve as the foundation of our design. Don't hesitate to repeat this step as many times as you like and experiment with different shapes. Join Master Joe in this tutorial to recreate this stunning pattern and, most importantly, have fun throughout the process. Feel free to adjust any part of it to better fit your style.
The way you want me, all the things that I offer to you. Is it my love, or that I'll do what you don't want to? The way you love me, or the love that drifts from me to you. Am I your focus, or just in your peripheral view? I need to know, I need to feel the love we have is really real. Can you show me, can you reveal the why behind the way you feel? Do you embrace me, or the comfort I bring Is it my aura, or the way that I brighten your light and your light? Am I your strength, or the place where your weakness resides? Am I your love, or just the sum of what I provide? I need to know, I need to feel the love we have is really real. Can you show me? Can you reveal the why behind the way you feel? Identify what you see in me. Just tell me why it's me specifically. I need to know, I need to feel the love we have is really real. Can you show me? Can you reveal the why behind the way you feel? Identify what you see in me. Just tell me why it's me specifically. I need to know, I need to feel the love we have is really real. Can you show me? Can you reveal the why behind the way you feel? 내가 공유하고 내 몰래 나이